Hi everyone, got a blinking yellow light on your Spectrum modem? It usually means network overload, but we have got the fix. In this video, we will show you how to troubleshoot and get your connection back. Let's dive in. The blinking yellow light often occurs when too many devices are connected to the network, leading to low transmission speed. Fix 1. Identify connecting devices. The blinking yellow light often occurs when too many devices are connected to the network, leading to low transmission speed. Check all devices connected to your network and disconnect any that are not in active use. After disconnecting unnecessary devices, restart your router. This refreshes the connection and can resolve temporary issues caused by network overload. This can help reduce the load on your network. Fix 2. Check connections. Loose or damaged cable can also cause transmission issues. Inspect the coaxial and Ethernet cable for any signs of wear or damage, and ensure they are firmly connected to both the modem and wall outlet. Check both the coaxial cable connecting the modem to the wall and the Ethernet cable linking the router to the modem. Make sure there are no bends or damages to the cable. If you find any issues, replace the damaged cables. Fix 3. Power cycle the modem and router. Power cycling your modem can help reset any temporary glitches that might be causing connectivity issues. Unplug the router from the power source from router and modem. Leave it unplugged for about 1 minute. Then plug it back in while still connected to the modem. Wait for a couple of minutes to see if the blinking blue light turns solid, indicating a successful connection. Fix 4. Consider upgrading your internet plan. If you frequently experience network overload, it may be time to consider upgrading your internet plan to accommodate more devices or higher usage. Go to Spectrum package page and log in. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then enter your zip code to know available plans. Choose the plan that fits your need and by it upgrade the plan. Fix 5. Factory reset the modem. These steps clear any configuration errors that might be causing connecting problems but will require you to set up your network again afterward. You will find a reset button at the top back of the Spectrum router. Reset your modem by pressing and holding the reset button using small pin or paper clip for about 30 seconds until you see the lights start blinking. This will restore factory settings, so you may need to up your network again. Fix 6. Contact Spectrum support. Internal hardware damage or failure can prevent the modem from functioning correctly. Contact Spectrum customer support for further assistance or to discuss potential replacement options. Before calling, note down your account number, modem model, and any error messages or symptoms you have observed like blinking lights. Dial 833-224-6603 to reach Spectrum customer service. This is their main support line for technical issues. Ask to schedule a technician visit to diagnose and fix any potential wiring or signal issues. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.